Kia ora, my name's Virginia Driver. I'm the Regional Property Coordinator for the Southern South Island region. I'm going to talk to you about fire evacuation schemes. The fire evacuation scheme describes what measures have been put in place to enable a safe and timely evacuation if there is a fire. Every centre is required to have a fire evacuation scheme. It is also a Ministry of Education requirement. If you're unsure if your centre has one in place, please speak to others at the centre, and failing that, contact your Regional Property Coordinator. Occasionally you'll be required to reapply for a fire evacuation scheme. This could be the case if you've undertaken renovations, installed a new fire alarm, or changed the location of the fire exit doors. All new buildings are required to apply as part of their building works. If you need to apply or reapply for a fire evacuation scheme, please contact your Regional Property Coordinator and they will assist you in completing the application form. The fire service has online and printable forms available on their website. Place Centre Aotearoa has policies and procedures in place for fire evacuations. These must be used for your application as well as any centre-specific details like locations of fire exits, call points, fire equipment, etc. Once they've received the application, the fire service have 20 working days to make a decision. Once your scheme has been approved, you'll receive a fire evacuation approval letter. The Ministry of Education will need a copy of this, and you will also need to display it on your wall in a prominent location. You will also need to display items that are mentioned in your application, for example, fire notices and fire escape plans. What do we do if we can't find our fire approval letter? Your fire evacuation scheme may have been completed a long time ago. In that time, it is possible the letter has gone missing. Please contact your Regional Property Coordinator in the first instance, as they may have a copy on file. If they don't, then they will be able to contact the fire service on your behalf to see if they have a copy. If no copy is found, you may need to reapply for a full fire evacuation scheme. It could be that it has been so long and there have been changes in the centre, so it may be a good idea to update the scheme anyway. Some fire evacuation letters may be dated in the 90s. These are still valid unless renovations have been carried out on the centre. Please make sure these are displayed on your wall. If you have any further questions, please contact your Regional Property Coordinator. Thank you.